Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn Obsidian notes into PDF. So what we are going to do is first here on the left side, you will select which note you want to export. All right, so let's say this one. Okay, now go here to the top right corner where you see these three vertical dots, basically more option, click on that and then find export to PDF. So open up. Now, what we are need to do here, a little bit adjusting if we want. So you can include file names as titles. So if you don't want that, you can uncheck this. Then we have page size. So we can change this to A4, for example. Landscape, we can basically put in landscape. Margin we have here also, but nothing special, just default minimal none. So you can play with this a little bit, that you find out how everything looks. And we have downscale percentage. Now we can do 77, 78, and then export to PDF. Just like that. If we save this, in a few seconds, this will open basically the whole PDF that we have exported. So this is pretty much it, how you can turn Obsidian notes into PDF. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next